whole house fan is most effectively used when run at the proper time. However, the way in which it is used is very important as well. When using a whole house fan, the first and most important step is making sure that the temperature outside is lower than the inside temperature. If the temperature outside is lower than the temperature inside, the next step is to open 2 to 4 windows, 4 to 6 inches each. Make sure to open windows in locations that you want the breeze to come from. Lastly, turn your whole house fan on high speed. It is always best to start on high speed, and as the temperature in your house begins to drop, you can lower the speed of the fan. The next day when you wake up, the thermal mass of your home and attic will be the same temperature as outside. Before you go to work, make sure to shut your windows and blinds or shades. Your house will now take all day to heat up, and it will prevent your AC from turning on as much, and you can start the process all over again when you come home from work.